The overall goal of this procedure is to separate mouse spermatids into 4 distinct populations, allowing the molecular study of spermiogenesis.
This method can help answer key questions in the male reproduction field, such as what is the impact of chromatin remodeling on genomic integrity. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides separation of spermatids into pure cells population without cross-contamination.
We first had the idea for this method when we observed important variations in the DNA staining intensity during chromatin remodeling in haploid spermatids.
On the day before the cell sorting, add 1 to 2 milliliters of heat-inactivated FBS to 5 milliliter polypropylene round bottom and 15 and 50 milliliter polypropylene conical tubes. Next, slowly coat the tubes by overnight inversion at 4 degrees Celsius on a rotator. The next day, carefully decant the FBS, using a P200 pipette to remove any residual FBS from the 15 and 50 milliliter tubes, and leaving a small residual volume of 100 to 200 microliters of FBS in the 5 milliliter tubes for collecting the purified cells. On the day of the cell sorting, mince the decapsulated test pieces in 500 microliters of sorting buffer. Then transfer the tissue fragments into a 1.5 milliliter tube. Using a truncated micropipette tip, flush the germ cells from the seminiferous tubules with gentle up and down pipetting, followed by flushing with an intact tip. Next, use a 40-micron cell strainer to remove